Welcome to the Yokoy Academy and our Yokoy Pay video series. In this video, you will learn how to order a Yokoy Platinum Visa Card. As a card admin, you can order cards directly via the Yokoy web app. To order a card, go to the Corporate Cards menu and the Account and Admin tab. After selecting the corresponding legal entity in the Company field, click Order Card in the top right corner of the screen. Afterwards, you are directed to a new page where you can set up the configuration of your new card. First, select the card type depending on your specific scenario. You can choose between a physical, a virtual, or a single-use virtual card, which can be used for one-time online purchases. We will now order a physical card. Click on Next to continue. You can order a card for an individual employee or for an employee group. To order a card for a single employee, click on Employee and then search for the employee by typing their name or email address. If you want to order cards for an entire group of employees, you can either search for employees without a company card or select them by the date they joined Yokoy. In both cases, you can exclude individual employees from the list by clicking on the X on the right. If you order multiple cards, they will all have the same properties, such as card type, spending limits, and shipping address. We will now order a card for an individual employee. Next, you need to define a card alias for each card holder. A card alias is a name that is used to identify the card more easily in Yokoy. On the actual card, the card holder's full name is printed. Now, you need to define the spending limits and additional controls for the cards. Spending limits can be applied on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. For physical and virtual cards, select the Auto Freeze card when too many receipts are late checkbox if you want to automatically freeze cards if the cardholder has too many late receipts. A late receipt is one that hasn't been matched within a predefined number of days. If you want to exclude cards from the Auto Freeze, you can deactivate this feature individually for each card after activation. Additionally, it can be defined whether the card can be used for ATM cash withdrawals or not. Proceed and choose for which merchant categories you want to restrict card payments. If you deauthorize one of these categories, such as accommodation, airlines, food and drink, etc., and the cardholder attempts to make a purchase at a business with that category, the card transaction will be refused. Next, select the address where you want the physical cards to be shipped. Please note that it is not possible to enter an address manually. You can only pre-select a previously configured address. We recommend you enable the checkbox Send Cardholder Card Activation Request before confirming the order, as the physical cards will not be shipped until this step has been completed. In the final step, you can review all the information you have entered and make any necessary changes. To order the card, click on Confirm Order. Now you know how to order a physical Yokoy Platinum Visa Card. Thank you and have fun exploring Yokoy.